As a YouTube creators, you need to know how to upload your YouTube videos correctly, because if you are just making content and you are just uploading your videos anyhow, I'm telling you, you are missing a lot, because there are a lot of ways you can easily optimize your videos to get a lot of views. If you are uploading your videos at the YouTube Red app, the plus button below the app, if you are clicking on that plus button and from there you are uploading your videos, I'm telling you, you are missing a lot of things. Because one thing about your video upload is that you will not be able to rank your videos to be visible on the other sites, the likes of Google, the likes of Yahoo Search, the likes of Bingo, all this kind of website. Your videos might not be displayed there. That's why today you need to learn how to upload your YouTube videos correctly, which I'm going to share with you today. Practically, how you can upload your videos from the YouTube studio, because don't forget, as you are watching videos on the YouTube Red app, there is something they call kitchen, because it's just like a restaurant where people go to eat food. In the restaurant, that's where people sit and eat the food. But which place is the food being processed? That is where we call YouTube studio. It's just a kitchen for the YouTube Red app. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, make a comment. Now let's dive into the show together. If you actually want to upload your videos correctly on your YouTube channel, there are two methods. It's either you upload your videos directly from your cell phone or from your computer. But in today's tutorial, I'm going to upload it from my cell phone. The first thing you are going to do is click on your Chrome, click on the search bar, search YouTube Studio Login. Then from there, you can see the first link. Do not click on this link, because it will not take you to your YouTube studio directly. So now you will click on this Chinese words, click on it. Then this one will now automatically take you to your YouTube studio, where you can start uploading your videos. Now click on close. Now look at the top side of your phone. By the right hand side, click on this arrow. Now click on select file. Click on photo and video. Look at these three dots, click on it. Move downward, click on gallery. Now look for the video you actually want to upload to your channel. Now I want to upload a long form videos. Then I click on it, then click on done. Then immediately your video will now drag and start uploading. Now this is the interface. This is where you will be missing if you don't upload your videos correctly. Now what you will do is you will now write the title of your videos. Let's say the title of my video is how to upload videos on YouTube channel. Now I'll write the title. Now you can write the descriptions. Write the descriptions for your files. Don't forget, the descriptions contains 5,000 words. So just make sure the words you write on it is more than 200. Now the next thing you do is write input the thumbnail. Click on here, then select the thumbnail. Look for the thumbnail and select it, then click on done. Then from there, the thumbnail is now being uploaded. So the next thing is add your videos to a playlist. I add it to channel growth. Click on done. Now click on see more. Now here you need to ensure that your channel, your video is not made for kids, because if you don't put it as not made for kids, I think your videos will be restricted. So now after this see more, do not click on this, do not check it. Now AI use content, no, my content is not AI use, that's why I said no. Now auto captions, I tick auto captions. Allow automatic places, I allow it. Then tags, these tags are the related keywords people will be taking in searching my content. So you can include tags, then select the language. Then from there, move downward, allow embedding. This embedding is very, very important, because this embedding, it will actually make your videos to be visible on other websites like Google, like Yahoo, like Bingo, like different kind of website, like Twitter. So that's why you need to allow this embedding. If you upload your videos directly from the YouTube Red app, you will be missing this embedding. You will not see it there. So that's why it's important for you to know how to upload your videos correctly. Now I allow it. Then category, ensure you make your videos to be categorized on the kind of content you are making, your niche. So then I think that's all. Then if you see below, you see that my videos is currently being uploaded. So after that, what I will do is, now you see this video element, click on it. Now add an end screen, because this is another way for your videos to be suggested. Many people usually get to watch other people's video through end screen. You click on this so that YouTube will actually automatically select two videos to display after the viewers have watched your current videos. Then click on save. So this one will now automatically save. You see the video element has already been ticked. So after the video has uploaded, this place will be checked. So it will check your videos whether it contains a copyright content, and if it is not a copyright content, then it will not tick it. Then the next thing you do is look for the visibility. From there you can click on visibility, because click on public. Ensure your video is public, because if your video is not public, it will not get viewed. So after that, then the next thing you do is just click on this publish after your videos has uploaded videos. So this is the right way for uploading videos on the YouTube channel. So if you find this video very helpful, guys, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, make a comment. Thank you, guys.